Guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I'm Crypto Mard, and in a few minutes I'll talk about what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. To start, it's interesting to know that 30 of Shiba Inu owners are now holding for the long term. There are many reasons for this, which I will talk about in this video. Also, recent news said that top whale dump 3 trillion Shiba Inu. This was reported by CryptoBasic with the idea that Shiba Inu's price might experience more bearish pressure as the second biggest SHIB whale sold an alarming 3 trillion SHIB, worth $32.94 million in one transaction. At the end of this video, I will also make a SHIB prediction. As always, if you like what I post, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. First, let's talk about long-term holding of SHIB. Into the block data shows that 30 of Shiba Inu holders are now keeping their coins for the long term. This is because Shiba Inu's holder class is getting more hodlers. According to Into the Block's breakdown of SHIB holders by how long they've had them, 30s have had them for more than a year, 60, 7 for less than a year, and 3 for less than a month. Only a month ago, there were 27 of people who held SHIB. The recent growth suggests that more traders are keeping their positions even though the market as a whole is going down. But the number of mid-term holders, or swing traders, and short-term observers has gone down a little. This is still a good sign, even though more traders are now looking at the long term. Shiba Inu has also gained new owners in the past few weeks. According to Whale Stats, there are 1,224,213 Shiba Inu owners. When the number of owners goes up, it shows that people are interested in an asset for the long term. At the time this article was written, the price of SHIB was 10.83 cents. This was a small increase from the day before. The price of SHIB is picking up speed for its next move, but for now, the picture is still one of consolidation. I think Shiba Inu's big sales jump so far has been 90. The number of large transactions is a good way to keep track of how many transactions are over $100,000. Since the average trader can't buy or sell this amount of money on chain, the indicator stands in for the number of transactions made by whales and institutional players. According to data from Into the Block, Shiba Inu's large transactions went up by 90, which could mean that big players swapped a lot of volume in the last 24 hours. Whale Stats looked at the top 100 Shiba Inu holders and found that the average SHIB balance of these people went up by only 1.18%, but the number of active addresses went up by a huge 600%. Now, why did this top whale poop 3 trillion SHIBs? The biggest SHIB whale sold a spine-chilling amount of Shiba Inu in one transaction. This is interesting because the price of the most popular cryptocurrency based on dogs broke below the critical support level at 11.73 cents. Etherscan.io says that the second biggest SHIB investor with a lot of money just did something weird with his Shiba Inu tokens and sold 3 billion SHIBs worth $32.940 million to a Binance wallet tagged Binance 14 during an angry transaction about 4 hours ago. But despite all of this selling, the biggest whale still has a nice amount of money in her wallet. 45,732,607,971,750 SHIB, which is worth $502,144,030, $5 used. The reason she did what she did is because the price of Shiba Inu broke below the critical support level at 11.73 cents. This is shown on the 4-hour chart. Since July 28, the price of Shiba Inu has been trading at a level that is a key support. Shiba Inu's price dropped below the 11.73 cents mark because there was a big sell-off in the crypto market recently. The next support level is at 991 cents on the 4-hour chart. Says that the price of Shiba Inu has dropped by more than 14 in the last week. At press time, the price of the Shiba Inu was 10.57 cents, which was down 2.58 from the day before. In the last 24 hours, $233,364,287 worth of Shiba Inus were traded. Now let's talk about how SHIB did, and I'll tell you what I think might happen. We know that Shiba Inu is one of the tokens trying to make a comeback after having a bad weekend where its price fell below 10 cents. The digital asset, which is one of the best meme coins, is driven by strong fundamentals. but macroeconomic factors may slow its rise. Did the Shiba Eternity game fail to make SHIB go higher? Please tell me what you think about this in the video's comments section. The Shiba ecosystem got a big boost over the weekend when the trading card game Shiba Eternity came out. Shiba Eternity is part of the ecosystem as a whole. Shiba Eternity came out on the Apple App Store a few days before it came out for Android users in Australia last weekend. When it was first released in Vietnam, the trading card game was a huge hit. Satoshi Kusama, who made Shiba Inu, says that Australia will be the last place to test the game before it goes worldwide. Even though the game came out, Shiba Inu dropped in value a lot, just like other coins. Since the Ethereum merge and the Federal Reserve's announcement of higher than expected inflation, the price of the asset has dropped by 8.78. In the last week, SHIB fell by 14. The inflation numbers from the Fed have had a big effect on the whole crypto market, and as a large cap coin, SHIB has been one of the most affected on the market. Investors worried about the rise in interest rates. The crypto market as a whole dropped a lot over the weekend, and it has been slow to come back. This is mostly because the Federal Reserve is expected to say this week that interest rates should go up. On Wednesday, the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is expected to say what the interest rates will be for the next quarter. With inflation much higher than it was last week, there is a good chance that interest rates will go up to 75 basis points. Mike McGlone, a senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, said recently that the Federal Reserve is not likely to slow down on raising interest rates. So, it looks like crypto investors are getting ready for a long bear market. At the moment, the price outlook for SHIB isn't very good. So I think the asset is trading below all of its moving average MA indicators, from the 10-day MA of 10.68 cents to the 200-day MA of 10.90 cents. Also, a sell signal is given by a moving average convergence divergence, MAT. That is negative. For now, the market will wait to see what happens at the meeting of the FOMC and what the Fed says about raising interest rates. As our Shiba Inu price prediction shows, the market seems to be getting ready for a long period of falling prices. But this doesn't mean that investors don't have chances to make money. Guys, I guess that's all for now. For more daily updates on SHIB, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.